guys, it's Miss Lewis here. I am coming at you with our science experiment update. Wow, some crazy things have happened. I want you to take a guess and see what you think might have happened. So we've got two experiments going. We've got two plants running with one with sunlight and one without sunlight. That's the one that we just started last week. And then we had another one from 2 weeks ago where we tested to see if plants really needed soil or not. And I had those still growing, and I don't think you guys are ready for the results that we've got. So I want you to try to take a guess, make some predictions about what you think happened in both experiments, and I'll be right back. As you guys can hear, it's raining pretty hard. So I don't have a ton of light in this video, but it's okay. Let's hear your predictions. Let's see if they're true. All right, so here is our soil versus no soil experiment. Look at the growth on the beans from no soil. We have two beans that sprouted with leaves and all, and this one grew a whole root system, all in a paper towel. This one is kind of a dud. I'm not sure what happened to it. Every seed is different, so sometimes that just happens. All right, now let's move on to soil. We got one good sprout on our soil bean here, but it didn't grow very much, and it didn't get much of a root system like the other one. And then one bean didn't sprout at all. Another one just lost its shell, but that's it. And all plants grow at different rates, just like people, so you never really know what's going to happen, but I can't believe how much the seeds with no soil grew. All right, now it's time for the real kicker. You guys are not going to believe this. Look at our plants with sunlight versus no sunlight. Can you guess which one had sunlight? You're not going to believe this, but this plant had sunlight, and this plant didn't. And you guys are not going to believe this. Just last night, I checked on this plant and there was no growth. And now two beans have completely sprouted all the way up. I can't believe it. And look at the difference between 2 weeks of growth in the bags versus a 1 week of growth in the cups. I can't believe it. Nothing has happened with this one yet. I checked on the bean and it's only grown a little bit. Like, it doesn't have a sprout yet, but it's bigger than it was when we planted it. So I'm hoping soon something will come. I'm going to keep the ones in the cups growing. I'm going to water them a little bit more. I'm going to put another half a cup of water in here, and we'll see what happens when we return to it on Friday. Crazy results, guys. See you later. There's one more thing I wanted to note. Take a look at the color difference from this sprout, which had sunlight, and this sprout that didn't have any. See how this one is much lighter? I wonder why that is. I know in our lesson from yesterday we learned that chlorophyll is something that helps trap the sunlight into the leaves to give the plant energy. And take a look at that. It doesn't seem to have much chlorophyll at all. Interesting, right? Alright guys, so that is our science lesson for today. I want you to head on over to GoFormative and fill out the prediction question and tell me if your prediction matched what you saw in the results or if you were surprised by anything that you saw today. It's been a really great week learning with you. I'll see you next week. Bye!